stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stirring and stirring and stirring my brew. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tip-toe, tip-toe. Boo! Did I scare you? I hope not. We're gonna make witch's stew today. It's gonna be so yummy. So what are some things that you think you might put in witch's stew? I have my big pot here. Oh, did you say worm pieces? You did? Well, let's put some worm pieces in the pot. And let me have just a little nibble and I'll show you. This is a little worm piece. Yummy. And let's see, what else do you think we should put in our witch's stew? Did you say salty bones? Well, I just happen to have some salty bones. Let's put them in the pot. And, do you see what the salty bone? Tastes pretty good. Let's see what else we might put in there. Did you say frog eyes? Yep, I've got frog eyes to go in there. Let's dump the frog eyes in. And here's a close-up of the frog eye. Now, let's see what else we got here. Oh, stones. Yeah, I gotta have stones in the witch's brew. Let's see. Yeah, there's a stone. It's gonna be so good. Let's see. Oh, dead fish. Are you sure you want to put dead fish in there? All right. Let's dump them in. And this is what the dead fish look like. Pretty tasty. Not bad at all. And bat toes. Ooh, now that's really going to add some spice to this witch's stew. Let me put in the bat toes. And there's a little close-up of the bat toe. And then, what is witch's stew without lizard gizzards? Have to have lizard gizzards in here. So let me put in the lizard gizzard. And this is what the lizard gizzard looks like. Really yummy. So when you get all the things in there, you're gonna stir it up. Sing with me. Stirring and stirring and stirring our stew. Woo, woo. Stirring and stirring and stirring our stew. Woo, woo. Tip-toe, tip-toe. Boo! I didn't scare you that time, did I? You knew it was coming. And I'll tell you how I like to eat my witch's stew. I like to get little ice cream cones, just the empty one, and put the stew in here. And the fun thing about eating your stew like this is when you get through eating all the little pieces in there, you can eat the cone. And there's no mess at all. And now, if you're allergic to peanuts, you don't have to put the peanuts in. You could put in, maybe marshmallows or something else. And let's say you're allergic to gluten. Well, you don't have to put the pretzels or the fish in. You could put in rice checks or a cereal that's gluten-free. So you can change these ingredients and put anything you want into your witch's stew. But it's just such a yummy, yummy snack.